So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make a lot of coins in FC Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. I might go ahead and open some of the packs later on. But first of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the new exchanges in FC Mobile. As you can see right there, we've got the MLS exchanges. If you want to see me open all of these 85 to 97 overall exchanges, you can go ahead and do that. It's on my channel somewhere, so you can go ahead and find that. But we've also got new heroes exchanges right there, as you can see. We've got 95 overall exchange, which does not require 393 overall cards. It requires 491 to 92 overall cards and 790 overall cards, which should be tradable, which means this exchange is not worth it at all. I would not really suggest you to go on and do this exchange, and that's the reason why 90 overall and 91 overall cards have not gone up that much in price. But we've also got other exchanges, 89 to 97s, 87 to 97s, and all that. But as I said, I'm going to go on and talk about how you can make a lot of coins. Pretty much the next exchange after 95 overall exchange that we're going to get in FC Mobile is going to be 93 to 94 overall exchange. And for that one, I would not really invest in 90 overall cards right now, just because we got 90 overall requirements in the store right now either way, right? So they are not at their cheapest right now, so I would not really invest in them. But what I would invest in are 95 overall cards, and these are 95 overall hero cards right there. So let me go and find some 95 overall cards, and as you can see right there, I need to search Prime Heroes event as well. Just heroes is alright. As you can see right there, Mascherano is about 25 million coins. There is Morientes about 25 mil, Di Natale, Donovan. I think those heroes cards are gonna be quite decent investment, because when we get 96 to 97 overall player pack in the exchanges section, I think they're definitely gonna rise up a lot. They did rise up already when we got 96 to 97 overall exchange. Di Natale, for example, was 20 million coins, and he went up to 30 million coins right there, as you can see, from 96 to 97 overall exchange. And I did tell you back then to invest in this Di Natale card as well, because he was gonna go up. Same thing with Capdevila. I did tell you to invest in him when he was about like 22 million coins. Now he's about 30 million coins. I think this Capdevila card is gonna go up in price quite a bit as well, to 35-40 million coins, just because this is a very good 95 overall Capdevila card. Left back card, very good one. But 95 overall heroes cards are gonna be decent investments, as I said, for the next 96 to 97 overall exchange. Just because we've got 95 overall exchanges right now, they didn't really go down that much in price. If the requirements were 93 overall cards instead of 91s and 90s, they would have gone down a lot more in price. This Morientes card as well as this Mascherano card would have been like 20 million coins, but 25 million coins is still a decent price. I think they will definitely go up to like 30 million coins when we get 96 to 97 overall exchange. So as I said, 95 overall heroes players are gonna be quite decent investment. I think there were a lot of people talking about these player of the month investments as well. Now I do know we've got these player of the month players, and I do know a lot of people actually packed tradable player of the month players. Tradable Lewandowski, tradable Vlahovic, Diogo Jota, as well as there was Kyrian, Terrier, and Chingiz. Is that Chingiz? No, Denis. No, sorry, it's Chingiz Under. That's a totally different player. But this is Under right there. I do know you can go ahead and pack tradable cards in these ones, and I do know a lot of people actually invested in their coins in these cards. But I feel like it's a bit too risky. Obviously, you can go ahead and invest in them if you can go ahead and snipe them right now. They are gonna go up quite a bit in price, but just because they are in the actual packs, in tradable packs from Heroes events, from MLS events, I feel like they're not really gonna go up that much, and there might be a very big market crash on these player of the month cards, because right now a lot of people think investing in these cards is a great idea, so a lot of people are actually buying these cards. But then when they realize you can actually pack a lot of these cards from the packs, from the tradable packs, I feel like a lot of people start panic selling these player of the month cards, and it might not be a great idea. So what I would suggest you to do is, if you went ahead and invested in these cards, if you snap these cards already, or if you are trying to snap these cards right now, make sure you go ahead and sell them at their exact time, because if you don't sell them, if you don't make some profit from these cards, I feel like you might lose some of your coins. So if you're investing in these cards, make sure to be like a lot more attentive with these player of the month cards, because as I said, the demand is very high right now. Demand is very high, so I think that's why a lot of people are trying to buy these cards, try to snipe them. But yeah, I feel like just because they are in the actual tradable packs, they are gonna go down in price quite a bit. So make sure you get your profit and sell your players. Don't be too greedy and don't get too much coins, because I feel like they might crash in price quite a bit. With Aubameyang, it was obviously totally different thing, because Aubameyang was not free, right? Or not free. I mean, you couldn't really pack him from any of the packs. You could only get him untradeable from the exchanges section. Same thing with Wirtz. That's why they are about 100 million coins. Wirtz is 50 million coins. Lewandowski, you can pack them from the market, from the packs, from tradable packs. So he's not gonna go up to 10 million coins. Diogo Jota, Vlahovic, these cards are not gonna go up to that much, but they might increase in price. They're probably gonna increase in price, but don't be too greedy. Make sure you make your profit with you are very, very happy about, and just don't be too greedy, because I feel like their prices might crash. Now, as I said, I'm gonna go ahead and open some of the packs. I'm gonna open these Heroes packs right there. First, we've got 82.97 overall daily exchange pack, which I'm opening every single day because that's a free pack, and we've got a walkout right there. We're gonna get a Spanish central midfielder. This is gonna be Javi Parejo, right? Javi Parejo, is his first name? Javi, I think it is. I'm not sure. We've got Lamer as well, and 76 overall Svensson. And now we're gonna open the standard pack as well that we've got in the Heroes chapter there. We've got 84 overall Gnabry, 82 overall Fofana, and yeah, not great from that one. Now we can open 87 to 97 as well as 89 to 97 overall player packs. We are gonna open them. I unfortunately do not have any 81s or any 82s really. So I'm still gonna open them, I think, but we'll see if I can open these. I think these are probably gonna be a better idea, because I would much rather put my 83 overall cards in 82 plus overall than in 81 plus overall, right? I think that's a better idea. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some silver cards as well. That was almost very, very close. I'm not gonna put Dudek in that one. I'm gonna put Fofana instead. So we're gonna go ahead and get some silver cards. I still think this exchange is decent, by the way. Not the best right now, maybe, because I'm putting in 83 overall cards, but I would still much rather get some more silver cards for 83 overall cards even. So we're gonna go ahead and do that one, and now we're gonna do 89 to 97 overall exchanges and try to pack something good. A lot of people say this is like one of the best exchange you can do, but I never pack anybody good from these exchanges. I have never ever packed a single good player from this exchange, and I'm pretty sure I have been doing it every single day. I'm pretty sure I have been doing it every single day. We got Finnish hero, which is gonna be I forgot the name. It is gonna be Litmanen. 92 overall is not bad actually. 92 overall is not bad, but we got 89 overall Shomurodov as well. It's so bad that we can't actually use like 92, 93 overall cards, or even 90 overall cards right now, or 91s. Like untradeable cards, we can choose untradeable cards in this 95 overall exchange, or 92 to 94, or 96 to 97 overall exchanges. EA made these type of things quite difficult to open those 95 overall player packs, because I've got so many 90s and 91 overall untradeable cards that I can't use in those exchanges because they are untradeable. Anyways, we're gonna open the second pack. We got a team of the season card. That's not bad. Or team of the year. It's gonna be Grimaldo. That's not great. Yep, only 90 overall. Again, no great packs. 92 overall Benacer as well. I mean, I did get 292s, but are they really that worth it for me? Not really. I wouldn't really say they are that worth it. Should I open this? I'm just gonna open one more of these, and we're gonna end the video right there. Okay, I'm gonna put some 83s in that one as well. I've got a lot of 83s in the way, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and end the video right there. 85, 86s, and here we go. Give me someone good from this pack at least then. Give me someone good from this pack. We've got an icon or a hero, English. Striker, is that no, it's not Alan Shearer anymore, it's a hero. It's 91 overall Peter Crouch. Not great.